There's no question that the technology industry is a great place to be. If you love computers, enjoy helping people, and want to be trained, certified, and working in as little as 3 months, you should consider becoming a computer technician. Like most of technology, the computer technician field is growing. There are over 123,000 new jobs expected over the next few years, and these professionals earn great salaries. On average, you can earn about $50,000 a year as a computer technician. Definitely not bad for a career you can train for in 3 months or less. And with computers and technology constantly changing and improving, there will always be a need for computer technicians. You may be wondering what exactly a computer technician does. They are at the forefront of computer repair. They fix our broken hard drives, troubleshoot software and operating system issues, and perform general maintenance on our home and office computers. They can be found working in corporate offices, as independent consultants and business owners, or in big electronic stores. Think Geek Squad. While there are plenty of resources out there to learn about computers on your own, to be truly successful, you need the right training and certifications. Our computer technician program gets you started by teaching you everything you need to know to earn the CompTIA A+ certification, which is looked for and respected by employers everywhere. The course will teach you how to install and maintain hardware for both desktops and laptops, and all about computer software and operating systems. You'll develop the skills to keep computers secure from viruses and malware by implementing complex security features, and you'll also learn how to configure both small and large computer networks. Your learning experience will culminate in a practical skills lab. This lab will test your knowledge and skills by requiring you to walk through a variety of practical, real-world scenarios, such as updating drivers and working on a computer that won't start. All of this training prepares you for CompTIA A+ certification and, of course, a job. Because our curriculum is built on the certification objectives published by CompTIA, our midterm and final are designed to mirror the A+ exams. This way you'll have an idea of how you can expect to do on the CompTIA exams as soon as you finish your Career Step Final, increasing your preparation level for these certifications and your job hunt. Having the A+ credential will help you stand out in the job market and will make it that much easier to land your first job. So take the first step today. With Career Steps online training, you can develop the knowledge and skills you need to be successful on the schedule and at the pace that fits your busy life. And we'll even give you A+ certification exam vouchers upon graduation to make earning your A+ credential even easier. Call an academic advisor at 1-800-411-7073 to start your rewarding technology career today.